Good morning, everybody. Nisi and I are going to do a quick little walk here in the Bear Valley area of Point Reyes of Earthquake Trail. It's a short little half-mile loop on a paved path. So we're going to go check this out. So come along with us. Let's get going. And of course, lots of little storyboards along the path as you make your way around. So we are making our way up here to probably the famous spot on this trail, which is the separation of the fence from the 1906 earthquake. You get a good idea here of how big the rift was after the quake. So we'll go up here and check this out. We're walking and oh my gosh, there's a buck right there. Look at him. Let me turn this around. And so this is the spot. We're actually going to climb up there too so you can see. But that fence line used to be together. And that's how big the split was from the quake in 1906. The epicenter was offshore near the Golden Gate. Pretty cool. It is huge, huh? This here tells about a little bit about the '89 quake, which is the one I felt. That was our big one, our last real big one here in the northern Bay Area. Beautiful morning.